Little Fox.
Tire Town School, Episode 7, Eddie in the Car Wash. Eddie drove into the car wash. Hiss, whoomp, whoomp, whoomp. The building was noisy. Water splashed on Eddie.
Whoa!
He said. Bubbles were everywhere. Big brushes spun. They cleaned his sides. The brushes cleaned Eddie's top. They cleaned his tires. Eddie laughed.
That tickles!
More water sprayed. Suds dripped off Eddie. Eddie came out of the car wash.
That was fun!
He said.
Who will go next?
Mr. Grill asked.
Me!
The students shouted. Everyone got clean. Even Jeb sparkled.
I love the car wash.
He said. Finally, it was Poppy's turn. Poppy frowned.
I am not going in there.
재미가 쏠쏠, 영어가 술술. 리틀팍스.